Hey everyone, this is Rich with FastReviews and I'm super excited. I've got the GoPro Media Mod here. This one retails for about $70 to $90 depending on where you buy it from. I'll put link in the description below, but the advantage of this mod is that it provides you with a microphone, it provides you with a cold shoe, 2 cold shoe spots, and it also is compatible with some of the other GoPro accessories such as the display mod as well as the max lens mod. So without further ado, let's get to unboxing it. Alright, it has the vertical special pen screw. It comes with a limited lifetime warranty and it has a really thick user guide. So a couple things here. Number one is that it provides you with the same GoPro footprint that you see in your GoPro. So you'll be able to use it with your traditional GoPro accessories. However, it also provides you with an HDMI output. That means that you'll be able to output to your own display if you want to. This is the ports here. So you've got, let me see if they're labeled. You've got the USB-C, you've got a microphone jack, and then you've got a display output. Okay, so pretty good. It comes with this wind accessory. So you simply put it over here, and then boom. So it's basically a vlogging kit in one. It comes with a standardized GoPro adapter here. It comes with a GoPro quick mount. Alright, so this is the close-up view. You can see the microphone. You can see the USB-C, and then the micro HDMI inputs. You can see the cold shoe mount right here, and you can see the top cold shoe mount right there. Okay, and then all we're doing is hooking it to a tripod adapter. So you're basically getting a lot of features for the price point, as well as a microphone in case you forget your wireless microphone. So here we go. What we're going to do is we're going to take down the GoPro on top here, and we're going to switch it out, and you're going to be able to hear the difference in the audio. So that's why my audio is not that good right now. I don't have it plugged in. Alright guys, so I'm going to test it with the Rode wireless microphone system. I'm going to plug it into the GoPro so you can be able to hear the difference. This is a wireless microphone system, so I'm going to test the actual microphone that's built in, and I'm going to test the additional accessories. I'm sorry, this actually doesn't have its own foot. This uses the GoPro feet. So I'm going to show you how to do that in a second here. Let me take down this GoPro that I'm using as my top camera. Alright guys, so you can see here that it does have the feet. Okay, so it does have the feet. Now this right here is basically the difference here. I have a round connector because when you actually attach this to the GoPro, which I'll do in a second, you'll pull this here and it'll slide forward. And then here's the GoPro, HERO9 or HERO10. Make sure you take out the battery case. Make sure you don't lose it. Put it in a good place because you will definitely lose it. This will plug into the camera right here. Slides right in. All right. It'll say connecting, and then it'll snap right in. And then you're going to want to use the bottom feet. Now here's the problem, guys. The problem is that the feet are actually pretty close. So it's actually hitting the base when you use this knob accessory. Okay. When you twist it in, it's hitting the base. But anyway, I'm going to show you the difference in the audio in a second here. Let's bring it down. And obviously you have to do it a certain way. So right now you can kind of see that this is actually hitting the case. So it's very tight. They could have gone with a longer screw that sticks out, but they didn't. Or they could have made the base a little bit shorter, but they didn't. So that's the downside. Anyway, let's go ahead and get this camera rolling here. Alright, this camera is now rolling. Alright guys, so you can see that this is the audio that's coming from the GoPro camera. This audio is basically off of the built-in microphone with the wind protector screen. Just for fun, I'm going to blow. Testing. Alright, so we'll see if that works. This is the back of the GoPro. So this is coming from the back of the GoPro. And now we're going to plug in the Rode wireless microphones. Alright guys, so the Rode wireless microphones are coming back on here. Alright, now the wireless microphone is on. So you'll be able to hear the difference. I'm just going to put this down right now. So that's the difference. So think of it this way. With the tripod conversion adapter, you basically have a portable vlogging system. You have the ability to connect your display. So if you wanted to put the display onto the cold shoe mount, you can do that on top. And I personally use a small little LED light. So if I'm going into indoor, then I got a little bit of light source without too much hassle. So I'll put a link in the description below if you want to buy one of those USB-C charge LED lights, the one that I found the most effective. But basically, you know, for the price of a few bucks, you've got a whole vlogging system here. Basically, you've got the GoPro Hero 9 or Hero 10, you've got the Media Mod, you've got the mounts so you can handle your wireless microphone setup. You can basically mount this here. That's pretty much it. So get this while they last, because honestly, it's way cheaper to get this setup than it is to get a cage setup. And the cage setup actually doesn't provide you with a USB-C to 3.5 millimeter microphone jack, which is what you get here with this kit. All right. So hope you enjoyed this review and this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Put any comments you have in the section down below. We're pretty much responding to comments almost like we're technical support to the best of our ability. And I will see you in the future.